Fold, unfold, fold, unfold. So much satisfying, isn't it? But how much do you need to pay for this satisfying action? What is the best price for this beast? How much discount do you get while purchasing this device? Beyond this, satisfying is anything for what you need to get this lovely device, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. Please do remain with me till the end to know more about this device. This is Nihansu Gautam and you're watching me on NG World. Thank you so much family for watching my video and helping me support every day. Please do keep watching my videos and keep supporting, and do comment down below in this video if you like it or not. This is a third generation foldable smartphone, a masterpiece from Samsung, the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Design wise, much better and refined than its predecessor. And now it's ready to be a daily driver among tech enthusiasts and corporate executives. No one had expected that this incredible device that was just launched 3 years back would be a complete game changer in mobile market. I'm sure this was unexpected for Samsung too. This is a third generation innovation and public do have complete faith in it. Public belief in Samsung is so much incredible that Z Fold 3 surpassed all the pre-booking expectations by 6 times, marking a new history on smartphone pre-booking. Even in Nepal, in the very first day, 512 GB variant was completely occupied in pre-booking allotment stock, and by the 3rd day, it was completely out of stock for IMS, the official smartphone distributor of Samsung in Nepal. Knowing this customer attraction, Samsung continued its pre-booking campaign, promising to deliver all the pre-booked device by the second phase restock during second week of October. It is wonderful to see overwhelming response by the customer on a particular model that costs so much. A ton of money, maybe even cost of kidney. No, just a joke. Sorry Samsung, please don't hate me, keep loving me. This is a story of success, but is paying quarter to 3 lakh rupees worth enough? Let's dig deeper. Truly, this is so much addictive. But meanwhile, it's solid, it's robust. Samsung claims it's made of armor aluminum sandwiched in Gorilla Victus glasses. It feels great in hand. This is not only classy but also a super productive if used correctly. Here are 5 ways to enhance your productivity with this device. Make note with your S Pen, which you'll get as freebies and comes with a nice case while pre-booking it. You can write anything in this really big screen. Designers can create their reference before starting their final design. A CEO can suggest necessary correction mentioning directly with ability of screen write on design sent on WhatsApp by the creative team. Create your daily notes and tasks just like a physical diary with a feel of write on paper. For any kind of conference calls and Zoom meeting, you don't need any stand. Fold half and you're ready to go. Multitasking on this device is an unmatched experience. Open your e-banking app on one side and open SMS on other part of the screen. Copy your account details with the S Pen and fill the details. Boom! Here you go, instant payment. Watch YouTube on half of the screen and make notes on other half. Open Facebook, go to the gallery to edit the photos and post it. I can give you dozens of such multitasking examples. Do you need more? Well, for now, let's move on to the DeX mode and optimistic mobility and productivity. Yes, you can access to the features of full-flagged laptop in this handy device. You really don't require laptop anymore while traveling. Travel light, work perfect. Now let's explore the reliability. This is the first foldable smartphone that comes with IPX8 water resistance and can survive 1.5 meter underwater for 30 minutes, but no, I won't risk this beloved life and I won't take it inside the swimming pool, but it's always peace of mind that This lovely piece of tech have water damage protection. This is a 5G smartphone that accepts 2 nano SIM and a eSIM. eSIM and 5G both are upcoming technologies, so be future ready and productive. 5nm Snapdragon 8885G processor and 12GB RAM in this smartphone can perform any tough task. This monster is great in performance, which is available in 256GB and 512GB. Both, it's your wish, whichever you want to get it. This beast do have perfect camera array for every kind of situation. Under display selfie camera is perfect for widescreen video calling. Attending a call in middle of work and balancing your work at the same time is just a perfect way. A crisp punctual selfie camera at smaller display gives a superior output. Backside does have proven set of 3 cameras. Wide, ultra-wide and telephoto cameras are meant for super high quality photos and up to 4K video outputs. The optical image stabilization in it is a great advantage for photography and videography both. Despite of larger display with a dynamic 120Hz refresh rate, a full day of battery life really amazed me. I'm surprised that Samsung could manage a full day of backup with 4400 mAh battery. 25 watt of fast charging and reverse wireless charging for accessories are always perfect way for re-charging your devices. This is a beast, but I wish it could adopt a little bit more from its own family DNA, like inserting pen on the device itself so that it would be more handy. And the front screen would support S Pen as well, with a screen a bit wider for more usability. And would 108 megapixel be any loss? Nope, it would be more advantageous for us from the S series, and maybe would support more faster charging, maybe 45 watts. Last but not the least, I wish this phone could support dustproof as well so that I could be a little bit more carefree, but I'm sure Samsung will make these all missing features alive in its next generation foldable smartphone. Let's discuss price. Hats off to Samsung Nepal for maintaining the price so much reasonable and lower than even in India. It's $229,999 for 512GB variant and $219,999 for 256GB variant. Was made much more affordable with bunch of freebies and bunch of offers during pre-booking. Samsung has levied very slim margin for retailers, so don't bargain much, but few thousand rupees like 5,000 seems to be a common practice in the market, but 0% EMI seems to be a great financial tool for the one who don't want to make instant payments. In addition, you'll get a free insurance of 1 year screen replacement. Once again, this was Nancy Gautam signing off.